to have a colloquy about politics.
It depends on the two people who are planning to talk about them. Seriously, several people have mentioned this so far. One of the problems that seems to be afflicting us in our current, what passes for political discussions, is that people won't talk with one another about politics. They yell at one another about them. And what we're seeing is a division, polarization, which is actually the antonym of colloquy. Nobody seems to be able to agree on how to talk to one another. Now, we've always been lucky in this state. Vicki mentioned the Republican candidate for governor. For about the last 30 years or so, all of our governors have been relatively moderate, pro-business type people. Now, you can argue about specific things they wanted to do and did do, but nonetheless, we don't have a lot of the really oddball, mouth-breathing type, either extreme liberals or extreme conservatives. But that isn't true in many, many places. It isn't true even in some of our relatively local governments. You may have heard that one of the Okanagan County commissioners, for example, recently posted online a warning to his fellow elected officials in Okanagan County that federal authorities were coming there to assassinate them. And he was dead serious about that. Wow. You know, this sort of thing on both the left and the right, there are too many conspiracy theorists around, too many nutcakes, too many suspicious people. And the result is that nobody wants to talk with one another. They want to yell at one another. So I'm not really sure what the answer to your question is. It does depend on the two people who are talking.